project EC8501 digital communication. In previous video we studied about source coding, and now in this video we are going to study entropy coding. Entropy coding, the design of variable length code such that its average code word length approaches the entropy of discrete memoryless source, is often referred to as entropy coding. There are basically two types of entropy coding: Shannon-Fano coding and Huffman coding. Shannon-Fano coding, an efficient code, can be obtained by the following simple procedure known as Shannon-Fano algorithm. Procedure lists the source symbols in order of decreasing probability, partitioning the set into two sets that are as close to equiprobables as possible, and assign 0 to the upper set and 1 to the lower set. Continue this process each time, partitioning the sets with as nearly equal probabilities as possible until further partitioning is not possible. Assign code word by appending the zeros and ones from left to right. Shannon-Fano coding example: let there be 6 source symbols having probabilities as x1 equal to 0.30, x2 equal to 0.25, x3 equal to 0.20, x4 equal to 0.12, x5 equal to 0.08, x6 equal to 0.05. Obtain the Shannon-Fano coding for the given source symbols. First, we take the given probabilities, the decreasing probability. Then in step 1, we divide the each probability in equal manner. 0.30 plus 0.25 equal to 0.55. Same time, the below sequence also 0.55. In step 2, we divide the again the sequence into equal probable. Now we divide the sequence into 0.30 and 0.20 in the one set, and 0.25, 0.12, 0.8 and 0.5 into another set. In step 3, we again divide the sequence into 0.2 one set and 0.8 and 0.5 into another set, and continue the process until we get 0 and 1. Finally, we get the code word for x1 00, for x2 01, for x3 10, for x4 110, for x5 1110, for x6 11111. Calculation: entropy h of x equal to minus summation of I equal to 0 to I minus 1 p of xi into log to the base 2 p of xi. We substitute the values here. We get 2.36 bits per symbol. Then we calculate average code word length L equal to summation of I equal to 1 to m p of xi into ni. We substitute the values here. Finally, we get 2.38 bits per symbol. After that, we calculate code efficiency neta equal to h of x divided by L. Substitute the value of entropy h of x 2.36 bits per symbol divided by average code word length L 2.38 bits per symbol. Finally, we get the efficiency 0.99. After that, we calculate code redundancy gamma equal to 1 minus neta 1 minus code efficiency 0.99 equal to 0.01. Huffman coding. Huffman coding results in an optimal code. It is the code that has the highest efficiency. Procedure for Huffman coding. List the source symbols in order of decreasing probability. Combine the probability of the two symbols having the lowest probabilities and reorder the resultant probabilities. This step is called reduction 1. The same procedure is repeated until there are two ordered probabilities remaining. Start encoding with the last reduction, which consists of exactly two ordered probabilities. Assign 0 as the first digit in the code word for all the source symbols associated with the first probability. Assign 1 to the second probability. Now go back and assign 0 and 1 to the second digit for the two probability that were combined in the previous reduction step. Retaining all the source symbols associated with the first probability, assign 1 to the second probability. Keep regressing this way until the first column is reached. The code word is obtained tracking back from right to left. Huffman encoding example. Let there be 6 source symbols having probability as x1 equal to 0.30, x2 equal to 0.25, x3 equal to 0.20, x4 equal to 0.12, x5 equal to 0.08, x6 equal to 0.05. Obtain the Huffman coding for the given source symbols. First, we order the probabilities in decreasing order. Then we add this 0.8 and 0.05. We get 0.13. Then in step 2, reorder the sequence. Then we add the 0.13 and 0.12. We get 0.25. Again reorder the above sequence. Then we add the 0.25 and 0.20. We get 0.45. Then we reorder the above sequence. Then we add the below sequence 0.30 and 0.25. We get 0.455. Then we add the 0.55 plus 0.45. Then we get 0 and 1. Then we track the code word from right to left. Calculation entropy of h of x equal to minus summation of I equal to 0 to I minus 1 p of xi log to the base 2 p of xi. Substitute the above values. Then we get the entropy 2.36 bits per symbol. Then we calculate average code word length L equal to summation of I equal to 1 to m p of xi into ni. Substitute the values, we get 2.38 bits per symbol. Code efficiency neta equal to entropy divided by average code word length. We substitute 2.36 bits per symbol divided by 2.38, we get 0.99. Then code redundancy equal to 1 minus code efficiency, that is 1 minus 0.99 equal to 0.01. Then code word for the Huffman coding, for x1 code word 00, x2 01, x3 11, x4 101, x5 1000, x6 1001. Thank you.